worse and worse. And I know, I can guarantee you they're gonna say maximum distance reach. I mean, I'm still have 3,000 2% to turn around. So but isn't the
maximum?
I mean, the thing now is make it to the emergency landing spot, because we got 17%. This battery is draining. Okay, I just want to land somewhere here. Alright guys, let me just go there. Talk later. Alright guys, finally I just was running all the way to there and I found it. It was all the way right there in the center field, and it was beep, flashing and beeping, and I was like, oh my god, thanks God. Alright guys, today is Saturday.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
I'm gonna try to break my record. Today I'm gonna try to hit okay, I'm gonna try to hit the 12K. So let's see what happens. It's really early. It's not 6 o'clock yet. It's like 5:55, something like that. Really early in the morning. The condition is perfect. Everything look really pretty nice. There's basically no wind, nothing. It's pretty nice, man. So I was checking the weather, and I saw the condition, and let's just fly. So let's see what happens. Okay. Okay. Thanks to all that people they've been watching my videos. I really appreciate it, guys. I never been gonna be tired. I'm gonna tell you the same thing always, guys, because I'm honestly, for real, I really appreciate it. Okay, so I want to try to hit the 12K. Not gonna be easy, but let's see. Okay. Okay. We got a cloud all the way in the left right there. It's still really far, but I gotta careful with that. In this flight they don't gonna affect it, but if you're gonna try another fly, I gotta careful with that cloud. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna keep trying to still going like this. Okay. We use 10% battery already. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see, man. Okay. Okay. Everything look alright. I'm just paying attention. Signal and battery. Okay, 3 bars. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna try to go a little bit up. It's only got 2 bars. Okay. Okay, I'm really concentrate here. I'm close to 5G. To 5K, I'm sorry. 5G. My God. I was talking about internet early today. I mean last night, and okay. 81% battery. Okay. Okay, 80% battery. Okay. Okay, I'm really concentrated here. Okay. Okay. Close to 6,000. There was a bird right there. Okay. Okay, 76 battery. Wow, I just can't believe it. Like, this is a little bit less than halfway, but wow, we still need to go 5,000, huh? Okay. I'm still going a little bit high, little bit by little bit. Okay, 73 battery left. Okay, this is a good flight, guys. This is really good flight. I know it because the battery and distance. So this is a good flight. I hope they don't happen the same thing that happened to me yesterday. Like in 8,000 they told me maximum distance reach, and they don't let me fly more far. And yesterday also was a great flight. Okay, big lot right there. Okay, keep going. %69 battery left. And we still 4,000 meters left to go. Okay. Let's see what happens. I'm getting really high, and they're gonna start affecting me, the wind. But I'm still going little bit by little bit up. Okay, 66 battery. Okay, weak signal. I'm still going. Okay, 64 battery, 3,000 meter left. Guys, this is the only chance, man. Today is the day. Today is the day. If you don't make it today, it's gonna be tough another day. $63 battery. I'm paying attention with the battery. Okay, 60. $62 battery left. Okay. Oof. Close to 10,000. 2,000 meter left. And 59% battery. Wow. That was a big lag right there. Okay. 58% battery. Get paid attention here. And 1,500 meter left. Oh, this is a big lag here. No, I was thinking of big lag. It's just I'm really concentrate. Now we got a lag. Don't tell me it's disconnected, man. I'm going up a little bit here. Close to 11,000. Well, definitely flying at 100 meters high is affecting the flight a lot. Okay. 1,000 meters. Big lag.
Maximum flight distance reached.
I know it. I know it.
Maximum flight
it's the second
distance
time
reached.
it happened to me. It's crazy. It's the second time this happened to me. I've been close. I've been really close to reach 12K and it doesn't let me. Unbelievable. Okay. 500 meter, what do you think? Push or not? I gotta do it, man. Lag. Big lag. It doesn't gonna let me. Uh-oh. Wait. Nope. Past 120. That's it. No more. $200 meters. I'm crazy. $100 meters. I'm gonna turn around.
Maximum flight distance
It
reached.
doesn't let me. Alright, I'm gonna count it like 12K because it was the drone at the. Okay, here we go.
Maximum flight distance reached. Maximum flight distance reached.
Okay. Wow.
Go home.
Wow, actually I didn't do nothing. The drone is just doing by itself. I don't press RTH. So that's good because when I turn around, like you saw right there, they give me a hard time. I mean, you gotta understand the drone is really far. I'm gonna let him come back in RTH. Okay. And remember the cloud that was really far when I started the flight? They've been 20 minutes already and the cloud is getting close. Wow. 44% battery. It's gonna be really close. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. Probably this is the flight that I was trying to looking for, 12K. If the drone land here safely and everything, so I'm gonna keep doing long distance flight, but not that far, like 12K, probably 9, 10 maybe, but long distance like 11K or 12K, no. Okay, because they are really risky fly. Really risky. I do it just because I got a bunch of people that ask me. They know the channelists about that, but they are really risky fly. So I just want to try to make the record, and that's it. It doesn't make sense to keep doing it, you know. The thing is, I'm getting scary is about the cloud. It's really lag. Okay, thankfully the RTH is working. %, and the drone is still in 10,000 meters. So And I'm not as scary, really scary about the battery, because I can land the drone in couple of spots. I'm getting nervous about the cloud. Okay, that cloud right there make me nervous. Okay, they don't look like raining cloud, but you know how it is, man. Right here it's 50-50. You don't, probably you check the weather like I checked, they say they're not gonna rain, and they rain. Right here in the Caribbean it's like that. So that's what they make me a little nervous. But I think the drone can make it back, and the cloud's not gonna be here. I don't know, it's really close. It's really close. Okay, 37% battery and 9,000 meters. Wow. Okay. Wow, I just can't believe it. I've been trying to do this a bunch of time and I don't be able. The most close was yesterday, and the moment that I reached 11,000 and I think was like 400, they say maximum distance reach, and it doesn't let me go no more. And I was trying to push. It was 500 meters, I think was left, so I'm just trying to push, you know, and it doesn't let me. So, but today the conditions, I was checking the whole week, and today the condition is gonna be better. So, and remember, I used a lot of battery going up. I reached 120 meters high, so that's extra battery that I used there. Okay, I think 12K it's the maximum with battery plus. I don't think the drone can go more far. I mean, they can go more far, but if you want to make a round trip flight, I think 12K is the maximum. 13K, nah, that ain't gonna happen. I'm gonna put right here how is the weather right now. That was basically no wind, so 13K is impossible. I mean, you can reach 13K if you make it back. I don't think it. Honestly, I don't think you. Probably you're gonna need another special battery that you make it homemade or buying something in internet. But with battery plus, the original battery plus, I don't think so. It's like you saw right here in 12K. I'm gonna put right here how was the condition, and you're gonna tell me, you know, there's basically no wind. So if somebody reach more than 12K, I don't know how he make it. I think special battery or something, but with battery, original battery from DJI, nah. 13K and turn around. And I don't think like, and I don't mean like the drone is gonna be here, okay? Because we got 28% battery and we got 7,000 meters left. So the drone is not here yet. The drone is not it's close to being halfway. So that means if we calculate and I turn around when the drone was in 50%, right? So I turn around when I was in 50%, and the battery right now is in 27. So I'm close to halfway, and I'm used basically 25% battery. So that means if you calculate, that means the drone's gonna be back here with 0 battery. So if you calculate 13K, it's, I don't know, in my opinion, me personal, I can try anything. I mean, I can try. I know probably I can make the 13K, but I don't like to reach 30K and land the drone somewhere. If the people want it, I can try, but probably I gotta put somebody to in a couple of spots to, you know, pay attention if I gotta land an emergency land somewhere. That's gonna happen because it's right now with 12K and look the battery, so 13K, no. Okay, I saw the clouds, it's moving now north. That's thumbs up. It's still moving this side, but it's moving northwest. So I'm lucky right now because the cloud basically is right here. This is just the first part. The second part, there is a piece they're gonna pass in top of me. So I hope it doesn't rain because it's gonna be tough. The drone is gonna be in forced landing, and raining, nah. Okay. And probably some people, they're gonna ask me why I don't going down. Okay, I don't going down because there's basically no winds. Okay, the wind's just like 2 meters per second wind. So, but that little wind there, basically nothing, but it's coming east to west. So the drum basically is coming downwind, but it's not helping the drum basically because there's basically, it's not blowing nothing. So the wind right now is not a big help right here. I think it's not a little help. They don't help in nothing, but anyway, you know. Okay, I'm paying attention to the cloud. Okay, we got a big part they move already, but this part right here, that part may be okay. The good thing is the drone is in 4,300, but 17% battery left. Wow. It doesn't gonna make it. It's impossible. Wow. I got 6% left and gonna force landing. So I'm getting close to the emergency landing spot 1. 1 and 2. I don't know what to do. I got seconds to make a decision, and I got 15%. 6 minutes and 30-second flight time. I don't know what to do. I don't know if try to make it here or land somewhere. But this is I want to land the drone safely. But come on, guys. I risked the drone to 12K, and I turn around, and when the drone is in like 3,000 meters, I'm gonna land somewhere. That's what. But at the same thing, that's what they blow my mind. Like, so what's the deal? You reach 12K, but you land somewhere, so you don't finish the test. So, but at the same time, it was like, what about if I continue to bring it here, and the drone didn't make it, and then I lost the drone. Because right now I'm really close to the. Okay, now in the left side, this is the. Yeah, right there on the left side. That's a baseball park, so that's the emergency landing spot 1, and the emergency landing spot 2 is in the right side. That little big house is all the way along right there. But I choose to continue, guys. 4 minutes and 30-second flight time, and first landing now.
Critically low battery.
Okay.
Landing.
Here we go. We got first landing. Okay, I'm gonna try to keep it in 100 meters high. The problem is if the drone land here, that's the big problem. If the drone land here, you think like it's pretty easy to pick it up, and no, it's not easy to pick up the drone here. If the drone land right here, this is water. So, wow. I got 3 minutes left. I don't want to try to go more high. I'm trying to keep it there, because if I go more high, I'm gonna use battery to going high. So I'm trying to keep it there. You see, all this is water. Water with alligators and everything that you can imagine. 2 minutes left. $1,400. I can go right also to family house. Okay, I got less than 2 minutes. Come on. I just want to try to pass this. Come on. The thing is, you know, when he's first landing, he don't fly fast. He just going 7 meters. he just go at 7 meters per second. He don't go fast. So 3%, and I just got 1 minute. Okay, I just want to try to make it to okay, because okay, all this right here is family houses. Okay, don't go nowhere, okay? And the moment that I land, if I landed here, if the drone came here, I'm gonna show you the battery. Wow. 40 seconds left. I don't know. Wow. Oh my God. It's really close. OMG. Okay. Test successful. We made it. The drone is home. So we make it the 12K round trip. And now I'm gonna show you the battery. Oh, ugh. The drone's going down in it. Okay, guys. Okay, he landed by himself. Here we go. This drone fly exactly 41 minutes. Okay, here we go, guys. Let me just stop the turn it off this. Okay, here we go. The battery never been opened. Okay, look, the drone have nothing. Thanks freewell UV, the UV free, ND feeder. I love it. Okay, look, the RC, it doesn't have nothing. Let me take it out then. Here we go. Okay, this is the phone. We have nothing. Alright, this is really clear. That's it. Alright, guys, if you like the video, just let me know. So guys, I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Let me know in the comments if you want to see any tests. Let me know in the comment. See you later.